要扛那个屑屑。
Yan, tataliman po natin siya. And next step, slightly scratch here on the other side. And third step, slightly scratch, drill a tiny hole. Then put a guidelines or guiding line at the back. Okay. Once you see the ember, just poke it, then keep blowing. And of course the shaving, you need to smash it or getting out the dashes. Yan, alisin natin yung alikabok, yung balat ng bamboo.
Bakit?
Mahirapan siyang lumiabsep kasi yung balat ng dried bamboo matigas pa. Hati natin siya sa dalawa. Okay. Okay, look the hole, See? So this one, it's used already. Do not use this. It's okay, nagamit na po yan, So a tiny hole must be in between the two balls of shaving, There is a shaving holder. So a shaving holder must broken at the middle. This is a shaving holder. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ayan, ayaw na pumasok So this is a proper position and proper gripping. Just use your thumb finger on this side and here. Okay. So I will rub back and forth slowly with pressure. Slowly first. Okay. If you see the smokes coming out, so you just increase the speed. Okay.
2个洞还是3个洞？
3个，
它这样一戳就起来了。
跟我们不一样。
是钻木取火。
有那个味道了。有。
那个火出来了。
Okay. Get the ember carefully, huh? Okay, get back here. Put it back, huh? On the flash pan. Okay, then
So hot.
Wow, cool.
Yeah, look at the fire.
may bang spray, ah.